how to change font style in Instagram name and username. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So you cannot directly change your font style in Instagram name and username. You will have to use some kind of website or application. Simply go to your preferred browser and then search for Instagram font. And here you will find several websites that will help you generate different Instagram fonts. Simply open any of it and then add a text like this, and then scroll down. Here you will find several fonts available. Simply select the one that you want and then copy it. You can also tap and load more fonts and get even more fonts. Simply tap and hold, copy. Now go back, go to your Instagram application. Now go to your profile icon. Now go to edit profile. And here in this username section, cut this all and then paste it. So you cannot do it in your username, but you can do it in your name. And then tap on the click icon and change it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.